If you name a variable x, you hate your future self. This is what I call a cryptic functions. At the moment that you are writing this code, it looks okay. It's a small, unimportant thing, but as soon as you forget the context or your colleague tries to read it, it becomes a nightmare. Maybe I'm getting old and I cannot juggle multiple variables at the same time, but one thing I know for sure, as soon as I see this code, my frustration level just rises. Because I know it can be written better. It's not that hard. It's a skill that you practice. Let's see how the code should look. When naming variable, ask, what does this variable represents? If the value returned by find is premium item, that is the name it should have. Not PI, not item, not found one, not result, not even premium. Think of your variables as micro-documentation. And if you need to change the value or the purpose of the variable, don't be afraid to create a new one with a new name. The way I check my function to see if everything is named correctly is by giving my code a quick glance like I'm speed reading. And I already see two things screaming at me in this function, but they are not directly related to variable names. They have to do with discount amount and return at the end. If you want to see how I would write this function, you can find a link to a community in my bio where I share more of the code examples, where you can ask questions and we can discuss ideas. Let's try an experiment. I'll use a similar crypto technique to rewrite a children's book. I'll replace names, places, and actions with shorter names. You can pause the video to try and read it. Reading code should feel natural, not cryptic. Good code reads like a book.